Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Allergies are bad today, so today I went to Lowe's and I kind of like spent all my money, but I spent it for a good cause. I now own my very own chainsaw. Okay, I personally got a little one, so I can just keep it on this trailer. Oh, we'll open that in a minute. Then I also got a chain for the chainsaw, and then a chain oil. All right, so first things first, let's open up the chainsaw. All right, so this thing. Where did I put it? Got the unboxing tool. Yep. This is exactly what it's meant for. Maybe. Never mind. Not sharp enough. I need to sharpen it. Where's my other one? My sharp one. There we go. Alright, now I got the unboxing tool. Alright, I got this sharp one. Oh, just like butter. Alright, so this is a $139 from Lowe's Craftsman chainsaw, so I had a little extra. So it's a 42cc Craftsman chainsaw. I would open it up here real quick. Included is a Craftsman manual. Yeah, let me put the box down so y'all can see. Included is a Craftsman manual, a tightening tool, with also a flathead screwdriver, which will come in very much use. Some 2-cylinder oil. I did not actually know it came with 40-to-1 ratio. So I think this other one is from the Sylph or something. I think. Yeah, we'll just hope so. She's still running anyway. This will make 1 gallon of gas, which that's actually pretty good. And then also it comes with, well, the chainsaw, of course, but this is a piece of cardboard, not chainsaw. Under there. But here is a chainsaw. I'm really happy to have. Because of all the trees down, this will come in so much handy. Yeah. But I'll try to keep this thing on my trailer. I'm gonna take this off. Come on. Wish there was such an easy way to do this without making a big mess. Yep, I just made a mess. Yeah. Alright, that's all that's included in the box. So we'll just set that aside, grab the trash, put that in there. But you're going to want to keep this manual. I can probably guarantee it, just in case you have technical difficulties. Okay, dang, allergies. So take this off. Maybe take this off. So yeah, it's a pretty small blade. It'll cut stuff, which that's the goal. But it'll cut big stuff. It's just gonna take a minute or two. I called a camp meeting a couple days ago. I was cutting this huge tree, and almost burnt a hole in the ground. It was an old Craftsman, well, it's an old model. It's actually 3 years old, I think. But it has carburetor problems, so that's kind of why I wanted to get a new chainsaw. So yeah, we'll just take a look at the inside real quick. If I can get this thing off. Alright, so it's air filter and stuff, so sweet. Put that back on. Alright, so we're about to make the gas. Pour that in here real quick. I'll take that thing off the blade. set that aside. Alright. So you're going to want to take your 1 gallon gas can or whatever size you have. I would recommend to use a 1 gallon one. So you just have to put one of these things in it, which makes it a little easier to pour in and carry around and stuff. It just comes really handy. So take that off, set that there. This O-ring just came out of this thing, but oh well. It shouldn't be that big of a problem anyway. Hopefully not. Alright, so you're gonna allergies, my guy. So I take this thing that comes with it, which that's really cool. I did not know that. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, it's gonna end up bad for me. Alright, we're just gonna poke it with my pokey stick. This will work. Oh yeah. Poked. Get poked. I'm just gonna want to dump that right in there. This one's black colored. Shouldn't do anything. Try and get all of it in there. Then I'm gonna keep this just in case, like for like a small refill thing. Probably put some of this mix in here. It's a small little thing, but you don't have to keep it. This is what I'm gonna do. Take the lid back on here, and you're gonna want to mix it pretty well. That on there. Just mix that really well. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to add the chain stuff in there first. Chain lubricant. Take that off, set aside. Take the chain lubricant. Take that off. Gonna use a pokey stick. Stab that in there. Put that thing down. Hopefully I don't get this all over my trailer. And that'll do it. How much does that use? Not much. I could probably fill that up like five times or so. Ooh, overfilled it. It's gonna get all over everywhere, but oh well. Shouldn't be that big of a problem. Well, I guess not. Okay, now we're gonna take the fuel thing, open that up. Pour our Wombo combo mixture in there. Try and do it slowly. Slowly, I just get it everywhere. Alright, get that up there. Slap that on. It put on a lid. Alright. Push the bulb a couple of times. Pull out the choke and try to start. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. But that's the Craftsman. What's the number? What's the number? S145. That's just a thing or something. Yeah. Tune in next time or something, and I'll probably do something with it.